This is the DJI Mini 4K. It's DJI's entry-level drone. It costs just $299 or £269 for the base kit. I have the Fly More combo kit here. That costs $449 or £399. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Okay, let's dive in. So we have a shoulder bag. Inside, we've got a few things. Let's have a look. Okay, so that's the controller. Got some juice on there. These are the grippy knobs that you would add onto there. Now, because this is a Fly More bundle, we have a charging dock with extra batteries. First job is going to be charging those up, getting them ready to go out and fly. And finally, the drone itself. Here it is. Oh, it's tiny. There should be a few accessories in there, a few extras. Let's open this up. Yeah, okay. We've got propeller and some connector cables and a USB cable and a little screwdriver, by the looks of it, to attach the propeller. Okay, so the battery hub is plugged in. Those spare batteries are charging. In the meantime, I've taken off all the protective packaging of the Mini 4K drone. We have the DJI Fly app downloaded on the phone. And here it is, the Mini 4K. It updates the Mini 2 SE, adding 4K video. The Mini 2 SE had 2.7K video. The video has a higher bitrate, and the high resolution video enables digital zoom, so you can get closer to your surroundings when you're in flight. Otherwise, this is pretty much the same drone as the Mini 2 SE. It comes in at 249 grams. That means there's not really many restrictions on it, although because it has a camera, I need to register my flyer ID, and I have it laminated on a label, and I'll attach it onto the drone there. Can plug in these bits on the remote. Next up, I need to sync the drone and my phone using the Fly app. Fully get this controller ready, and we can head out and have some fun.